What's up, everybody? So we're back here again. I want to show y'all an update of what has been going down and what I sold and what I've added to. So, like I said, I'm gonna show y'all every week what I've been doing, what I sell, what I buy, and all that. So that way I can follow along and maybe you start buying some of the stuff yourself. So, all right. So first thing I want to talk about is ABO. If you guys been following my YouTube videos, if you remember back, like I think it was like the first list I put out there. It would, talk about it that I bought it at about $4, about right here, and I sold a couple days ago. I think it was on Wednesday. I think I sold it for $4.55, and that was a 12% profit right there. So that's one of them. Let's go to the next one. Okay, AKBA. That one reached my target as well. That one I bought it at around 280 around here. I sold that at 324, and it brought in 15% on that one. Okay, let's go to the next one. HSTO. If you remember on this one, last time I put this one out there, it was I think it was like around here. I bought it at 82 cents and I sold it at $1. Uh, Same thing, couple like 2 days ago, and that one actually gave me a 24% profit. So that one did pretty good. So those are I sold one, two, three of them today, or this week I sold for a profit. I also did, play. If you looked at the other videos this week, I did get in JagX and IDEX, and they didn't turn out really good for me. So I sold them for a loss. I think JagX, I think I was a negative 150, and then IDEX, I was negative like 100 or something or 80 or 100, something like that. I don't fully remember, but in all, I think this week I've had a negative 250 total, but I still ended up in green, so that's a good thing. So that didn't stop a green week. But all right, so I want to get into the stocks I got right now and talk about those and then we'll go from there. So let me just get out of here real quick. Man, I hate this Windows 10. Man, I don't know, man. I'm from the 1990s, man. I'm used to the Windows 7, so bear with me, man. It's hard to work with this damn computer. So here, let's see. Let me. I gotta do that on my phone because I can't log in on the computer. So I know it kind of sucks to on the phone, but I'll get it, man. I'm sorry, man. I suck at these videos, but we'll get there. Stock market is still open. Hey, remember if you guys seen on YouTube video, I had 20,000 on yesterday, which today, look at that, it dropped. It dropped a lot, but I'm not worried because usually if you've been in the stock market long enough, usually on Fridays it seems like it's a sell-off day or something. I don't know, but I'm not worried about it. I'm still, nothing has triggered my stop losses. All the ones that I've got here, I have faith in all these companies, and I didn't sell nothing today, not even for a loss or nothing. So here, let's get started. So I still got Palantir, that one. Like I said, I plan on holding that one for a while, cause like I said, I feel like that's gonna be a good company, a growth company. Man, come on. Yeah, so I feel like I'm gonna hold on to them for a while. PLTR. So you can see that right there. This is actually a new company that just came out. I think like back in September or something like that. So it's still the next resistance you can see. It's about the $33. Which really it's about, if you look closely, more like $30, $29, $30. So But like I said, this one I'm not. If anything, if this one does go down below, below what I have it for, I'll just add on to my position and just let it grow from there. So got that one. Okay, and then we got CNSP. That one, that one's doing 9%. This one's up 9%. This one's 9%. This one, like I said, they did, a while back had a direct offering, and I think it was they priced it at $2. So you can see right here we're 10 cents below that. But matter of fact, on that one, I think I got in it. I got in it when it was at $1.73. You can see right there. I got and then so I'm waiting for that one to hit $1. That's my or $2. That's my target. Fubu, that one, actually that one done pretty good this week. I was actually up 40% yesterday on this one, or not yesterday, 2 days ago. It was up 40%. I couldn't help but sell half of it, so I sold half of it, and I'm gonna just keep the rest. And if it does go back down to 27 or below that, I'm definitely adding some more. I mean, Fubu TV, man. This is the new Direct TV, the new dish. It's kind of like a Netflix. You know what I'm saying? So y'all might look into that Fubu TV, man. And I do believe in it because I mean, think about it. Dish. They're putting Dish and Direct TV out of business, man. I mean, they be taxing a lot. These Fubu TV came in with all these channels for a way cheaper price, so they're gonna knock them out of their business. So, and Square, like I said, Square it's a must-have. You better have that one in your portfolio for a long term, because I believe in that stock. I remember buying that stock a couple months ago, back in I like to say back in like October. It was like at $60. I wish I would have bought it then and held it, But like I said, I'm not really a long-term investor, but now this year I do plan on buying stocks and holding them long-term. So, and that's one of them right here. Square and Fubu is on, one of those. So, and Palantir as well. So, all right. So I got that, and then Expressa, man. I love that company, man, because I always make money on that one, man. I mean, I don't know, man. It's really not that hard, you guys. Once you guys get into it and start looking at the charts and start drawing your support zones, your resistance lines, and start looking at where the prices have been at, then you kind of can get an idea from, from all those lines that you got. You know what I'm saying? So, matter of fact, let me show you on that one, Expressa. Let me chart it out for you guys real quick. XSPA. Yeah, if you guys need any help with like this Thinkorswim or whatever, man, just feel free to send me a message or whatever, But this is right here. This is Thinkorswim. I only use this for charting. So that's what you can put money in it and make an account as well with them as well. But I'm happy with Webull, so that's what I'm going to be using, because zero commission, easier to use. I don't know. But anyways, okay, here's Expressa. These are my lines that I had from way, way back. So let me show you guys Well, anyways, I've been following this stock here for a very long time. As you can see, that's those lines that I got drawn there. It's something I've been working on. But I noticed this stock. Okay, this is where I was at one time. I bought it at $1.42, and then the next morning I woke up and it was up like 20%. So I was like, man, I'm gonna sell this. So I sold it, and I'm glad I did, because look that day it just went down. And then I noticed right here about $1.19, it started settling again. You see that? Every time a stock does that, I like that, because it gives me confidence in coming in and buying this stock, because You know, if you buy this stock right here, for instance, let's say you bought this at a dollar, what's the low here? $1.19, right? And if it goes, you know, like you look back here, the low here, it's 116, 115, 117. So, you know, like pretty much, you know, right here, what I would do is I would buy at 119, and then maybe, you know, maybe make a stop loss at like $1.14 or something, you know, a little bit below that, you know. This is the lowest day of the week, so, and it's 115, so I might do 114, you know, just in case. But this one, you know, I bought it yesterday, and they just happened to have good news at that time too. So, you know, it went up to $1.35, and I'm up on that one 11%. So that one's doing pretty good as well. Hold on. So that, yeah. All right. So that, and then I still got AIM. If you guys look at AIM, I still, you know, you want to go back to the charts. Look at that one. On that one, my sell limit. Let me look at that real quick. On that one, my sell limit. Here's my line. So on that one, I'm looking for 220. Yep. Right now, if you guys can see, you know, I bought this one right, you know, like about here, $1.80, I believe it was. Let me look back at my thing. $1.84 is what I paid for it, and so if you look here, it went up to $2, and it's been, you know, settling in that $2 mark. So, you know, this is another, you know, for me, another buy zone right here, because it looks like, you know, like people's been, you know, like it's just been accumulating, sitting on that level, and so as long as it doesn't go below that level, and if it does go below that level, it's probably gonna come back to $1.80. So I'm gonna keep playing with this one, you know, even if it goes down to 180, I'll just add more. You know, if it goes up to 220, I'll sell some of it, maybe half of it, hold it a little bit, you know, and then just keep, you know what I mean? Sometimes, man, I just keep playing the same stocks over and over again, and you know, and you can make money off the same stock. So you don't even need to look for 1,000 stocks. You know, right now I got 20 different companies in my portfolio, but you know, you don't have to have 20. You can have 2, you know, 2 good stocks that you really, you know. For instance, like let's say if you got a small account, like $1,000 or something, I would probably, you know, split it in half. For instance, I would buy like AIM, and then I'll buy like another stock. You know what I'm saying? One of these that I'm showing you guys. So, you know, but I like to diversify my portfolio because like I said, you know, you never know about a stock. It can you know go the opposite way of what you're always thinking. You know, so always got to keep that in mind too. You know what I'm saying? So. Cause like, you know, you're not always gonna win. You know, there's always gonna be like, you know, for instance, I showed you about the 2 losers I had, which it's fine, no biggie. You know, we're gonna make that money back, no problem. But so that's AIM, Moderna, that one's doing pretty good too. You know, I heard the good news about that one, about the vaccines. You know, so you know, it grabbed my attention. So I was like, man, let me get in this. So that one, I believe it would be a good long term as well. As long as, you know, nobody dies from the vaccine shots, or bad news arises, then I'm going to hold on to that one as well. And then ARC W, wait, I mean, I'm not even showing you guys. Hold on, man. Let me put that. Okay. Now, ARC W, like I said, that one's a ETF. I'm going to hold on to that one because like what they do, ETF is pretty much a company that, it's like an investment group that, you know, they'll put money into different kinds of stocks. You know, for instance, like I know they got Tesla, I know they got Tesla and NDM. I mean, they got, I don't know how many companies. You just have to search them up on Google and stuff to you know, get to the bottom of that. But I got APEN too. You know, this one I try to add money on it the other day, but my order didn't get filled, so I only have $200 in it. But look at that, $200 up $14. That's good, man. You can't beat that, man. You know what I'm saying? So if you had $200 in your account, look at that. You could put it on 8 pin and you'd be up 7%, $14. You know that ain't too bad. That's whatever profit is profit. You know I don't care, man. I take it all. Shit, $10, $5, it adds up. You know, and that's how I've been doing it. You know that like I don't get into momentum plays, and when I do, I lose money, man. So I just been doing it slow and steady, man, and I feel like it's the safest way to get through this. You know what I'm saying? Without hurting your portfolio. But okay, and then I got this FSR now too. This one's new. I don't think y'all seen this one. I just added that one a couple days ago. I added that one a couple days ago. So let's see here. Oh no, that's not. This is not it. I wish it was that. Looks pretty good. All right, so this one I got it at $14.70. So I got it like about here, you know. As long as this one doesn't go below $14.53, because this one is here. Let me draw my red line so that way I can see. All right, so right now that red line, that's my bottom right there. That's below that red line. I don't want to mess with this. If it goes below that, if it goes to that red line, I'll buy it. I'll buy some more. It's okay. But yeah, I like how that's settling around that $15 area. So I hold on to this one for a little bit, and always, you guys, before you do decide to come and buy a stock or something, always do your homework behind these companies, because it's always good to know, good thing to know about them. For instance, like the financials, who owns these stocks. I like to check stock tweets, because that kind of gives me an idea of what a lot of people are thinking about it. For instance, like a lot of people are bullish on it, or a lot of people bearish on it, or what, And by the way, for those that don't know what bullish or bearish means, bullish means you're with the company that that you think the company's gonna go up. Okay, bearish means you think the company's gonna go down. Okay, so Google that stuff, you guys. That's it's really not much behind this. Like I said, all you gotta do is learn how to do these charts, learn how to find info on these companies. A lot of Facebook. I got some groups on Facebook where I look at things, and I don't listen to a lot of people. But I do, you know what I'm saying? I try to find facts, for instance, like on stock tweets, some people will post like pages or something. And when you do read those pages, always make sure you read the date, because sometimes people will share old news or something. So always check the dates, okay? So, okay, that's one. Let's go back to the phone real quick. Go back to the phone. All right, so I got that. I still got ALRN. I should have bought some of that too when it was down, but I'm not really worried about that company right now. And then I got Sundial Group, which today was one of those Fridays, sell-off Fridays. Oh well, I'm not worried about it. But anyways, I got Sundial Group Growers. That's a marijuana company. I believe that marijuana will do really good, especially with the new president we got, and them, talking about legalizing marijuana and all that. I have a strong feeling that marijuana stocks will do a lot better. So I will be adding more marijuana stocks into my portfolio as well. So, and then today I added GHSI. That one, I've been dealing with that stock for a while, Matter of fact, let me tell you something, man. On GHSI, I had that stock when it was 15 cents. And you know what? I had it at 15 cents, and I think I only put like $300, and then it went up to 30 cents. So it went up 100%, and I sold it, and then the next couple of days it went up even like 300%. So I missed out on that one big time, but it's all good, man. The good thing about the stock market, man, is always going to be here. So the opportunities are always going to be around. You know what I'm saying? So if you see a stock going up 100, 200%, 300%, oh well, man, let it go. Back in the day, I used to get excited about it, jump in it, lose my money, and then be sad about it. Nah, man, let's not do that. Let's not do that. We're gonna take it slow and easy. Let other people do the day trading. We're gonna get the bottom. We're gonna be the first ones, and then when these stocks, because usually these stocks are at the bottom, they tend to run pretty hard. You know what I'm saying? With some good news and FDA approvals, and you know what I'm saying, with good financial records and things like that. You know what I'm saying? So it's always better to be at the bottom, be safe, and then once some of these stocks will go up 20, 30, 40, 50%, sometimes even 100%, and all you gotta do is wake up the next day, be like, oh shit, 100%, bam, sell it, and there you go, your money. You know what I'm saying? And everybody else is over there fighting each other for it. Trying to, I don't want to do that. Let's not do that. All right. So I still got ears. I still got that one. Sundial, that's a new one. DNK, that's a new one. Matter of fact, that one, if you guys are looking at this right now, maybe that you might want to add that to your watch list for next week, because that one's been a runner. You can see right here, it went from $1.36 to like almost to like $5 right here. The high, let me see, the high that day was $4.99, $5. Look at that. That's from 1 to 5. That's like 400%. Man, that's can't miss on those. You know what I'm saying? But so you guys can see here, it's been settling around that 280. So 275, I would consider the bottom right here. So, and the reason how I found this 275, I found this line because of this. You see that top right there? The top is the high is 273, but right here it went as low as 273, and then right here 275, and so below 273, I don't want this. But if it stays above that 273, I'm gonna keep on messing with this stock, and we'll see where it goes from here. All right, and this one, man, added to you. This one's a buy zone for me right now, man. Matter of fact, I was actually gonna do a list for next week, but since the market's turned bearish on us today, what I'm gonna do instead is work with what I've got and add on to my positions. Okay, so I'm not even gonna worry about looking for other stocks right now. So too much work. So let's see. Let me get back on the phone real quick. Alright. Hold up. Come on, man. Alright. So, and then I got Rocket, still Rocket. That one's negative $19. I ain't worried about it. And Knox, that one, I'm going to tell you why I got that one. Because, see, this one, if you look, you see that flag right there? It broke out of that flag. And if it go, as long as this one doesn't go below that $48, I'm gonna hold on to this. So we'll see what it does. Matter of fact, on this one, I haven't even really done any research behind it. But I will be over the weekend on this one. But I just like the charts. You know what I'm saying? The charts, the thing about the charts, they do tell you a lot about it once you get into it. Like for instance, see, like here, this is an ear. I like to get into the ear, and then also I like to come here. Let's see, right here. And then I like to change my time frames. For example, I'll do 5 days, 15 minutes, and that'll give you a closer look at, you know what I'm saying? A better view of how's it going in each day. You see what I'm saying? So I like to look at different time frames that give you a clearer picture of what you're trying to see. So yeah, okay. Rocket, Nanix, and then I got Card K, Kodak. Did y'all know that Kodak was a camera company? And now they're doing like pharmaceutical shit. Dang, it's crazy, huh? How from cameras and pharmaceutical. But anyways, look at this. Look at this chart, man. I like this, man. If this doesn't go below that $8, man, I'm gonna keep adding on to this one. Cause matter of fact, this stock, a couple months ago, Donald Trump pumped this motherfucker up. I think it ran from like $3 to like $50, man. But like I said, man, I like to stay away from momentum stocks because it seems like I always get burnt from them. And so I guess I need to work more on my day trading. I think I mastered the swing trading. I hope I did. but I think I need to work some more on my day trading. I'm actually reading a couple books on it right now. So once I get the hang of it, then we're gonna move up to there. Okay, like I said, this is a job. Treat it like one. Work on it. Don't be lazy with it. Always do research on a stock. If you're out there and you hear about a stock or somebody mention a stock or something, and before you buy it, it's always good to double check on it. Do your homework on it. Look at the financials. You know what I'm saying? Like I gave you an example in the beginning of of my videos. So if you want to go back to those, I know the voice kind of sucks and all that, but if you got questions, like I said, you guys can comment or message me or whatever, But I think that's all I got for right now. Let me go back to my phone real quick. All right, so from yesterday, I had 20,000. I had almost 20,200, but yeah, it came down a little bit. We had a overall market correction today, which usually happens on Fridays. I don't know why. I guess a lot of people like to sell off or whatever. People taking profits, but yeah, man. So I hope you guys are learning. If I need to, man, please, I need some feedback from you guys too. Like if this is helping y'all, if you guys are learning or if you got questions, man, just ask. I don't mind answering. I want all of my friends and family to come up with me too. You know what I'm saying? I want us all to make money. And plus now since I'm making these YouTube videos, man, it's actually challenging me because now that you guys are watching and learning from me, I feel like I need to do my very best. You know what I mean? To provide you guys with the best of my knowledge that I learned from this. So let's get this, man. I hope you guys can get into this and man, let's get it. All right. So, anyways, you guys, I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will.